This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about takeout containers, specifically Asian Panda microwavable bowls. And they have two different sizes. There's the 24 and the 34 ounce, or the medium and the large. And you can see these great little takeout bowls come with a nice black on the exterior, red on the interior design. They are stackable, which means you can get a nice big sleeve of these, pop them in a hideaway place, right? They're not going to take up a lot of space, and they come with matching lids. And the lids are clear, which I like, because that means that if you're doing a nice little display, maybe you want to put some stuff out so customers can grab things quick and easy, some prepared meals, they can see exactly what's inside, and they have a nice kind of snug fit on these clear lids. They just kind of snap down into place. Oh, it's being feisty with me, so I'm trying to do it on camera. There we go, right? And it gives you a nice little spot for a great sticker, some branding, right? If you're doing these for your restaurant or cafe, right? So these are perfect for rice bowls and other dishes like that, noodles, soups, salads, just a bunch of different styles of dishes really work well in these great little round containers. So they're fantastic for restaurants and caterers, or even for lunches that are going to your school or office, right? It's a great way to do some meal prep. And they're made of a BPA-free plastic. It's a 200 count, and it's also recyclable, so a little more environmentally friendly, which is always fantastic.